Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Coming up very, very quickly, September 7th, will be the Corella Collab and Challenge that I'm co-hosting with Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly. Tammy and I will be asking you to judge our two dolls, making them to look like Corella. But we're also asking you to join in for a fun challenge and dress one of your dolls, or show, if you have a Corella doll, there's a lot of them, on a video on your own channel. These are some ideas that I came up with. I made most of these outfits. My Corella doll is standing here in her robe. It was going to be a coat, but it didn't turn out like it was supposed to. She has her fabrics ready to make her dress. And then there's the hair, and that's the story for today. This is my Corella doll before. And let's hope and pray I can divide this hair correctly. And I got some tips from someone on how to do it. Let's see what happens. But notice her face and everything, because next time you see her, she may be quite different. Oh, don't all come out. No, no, oh dear. Oh no, I worked too hard. I just want to splash that in the blonde side. Ooh, that's scary. This is 4 shampoos and a cream rinse later look. Messed it up. Got that all up there. Now I don't have a good Corella. This is wash number 9. It would have been cheaper and easier and less frustrating to just buy a Corella haired light. I don't know, I'm going to use a full thing of shampoo, and I've conditioned it twice. It's probably gonna need a new sink by the time I'm done. I am really discouraged. See the white hair starting to show back up? Very, very discouraged. So this is where I am. I have 2 wigs. This is Plan C. I made a wig cap. We have magnets coming. Look at that. That was black marker. You would think I used a purple marker. It was not easy, and yes, my hands did get a mess cleaning that up. I've made my little wig cap to fit. And that's where I am. This is actually Plan C. Darren, when I was in the sink saying things I shouldn't say, Darren's like, or just order a doll, go ahead, it's fine. Well, if you know anything about me, it's like, no. I mean, really, why spend $45 for a doll when I can spend $65 making a wig? Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please come back and see how our wig goes. Remember, you have till September, well, however long it takes you to get your video together and edit it and have it up on September 7th. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe.